Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to see recently watched videos on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, on your profile page, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. This will open your settings menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down through the options until you find Activity Center, then tap on it. Inside the Activity Center, tap on Watch History at the top of the screen. Here you will see a complete list of all the videos you have recently watched on TikTok. You will see all the videos you have recently watched. To watch a video again, simply tap on it. Delete Watch History. In Watch History, tap Select in the top right corner. Choose one or multiple videos, or select all videos. Tap Delete. Confirm by tapping Delete again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.